Hi, I'm Juergen from the BMC Helix Business Workflows team. In this demonstration, I want to show you highlights of our 1911 release. We've embedded and integrated live chat version 1911 with business workflows so that line of business agents can participate in live chat sessions. While chatting, agents can use pre-canned messages and search for and share knowledge articles. By clicking on the share link, users can open articles directly in Digital Workplace. Agents can create cases on behalf of the user directly in the chat session. They can search for and select suitable case templates. If a case template includes dynamic fields that are required, questions to get the answers from the user can be shared with one click and answers are automatically recorded. Agents can also take notes that will later be appended to the case. When the agent is ready, she just clicks on a button to create a case. A preview shows all relevant information to the live chat agent. It also includes the answers to the questions. When navigating to the case, it shows live chat as source, the note previously logged by the agent, and the chat transcript is nicely visualized as reference for the case agent. Let's take another look at the case created in the live chat. The case shows a request ID and the activity log includes a note saying that a service request has been created. Business Workflows can now automatically create service requests not only for live chat, but also for inbound email, quick case, or create case. Requesters will find the service requests under My Activity. Bidirectional communication between the requester and the agent using commenting and public activity notes just works. When editing a case or a task, the requester information is shown to ensure agents always have the context, like the site information, of the requester available. Case business analysts can make it mandatory for agents to provide a resolution code and description before resolving a case. This ensures proper documentation of a resolution, which can be later leveraged, for example, in reporting to gain better insights. Resolution codes can now be configured by the business analyst. Old resolution codes can be retired by setting them inactive, and new codes can be easily added. The label visible to agents can be localized. For completed cases or service requests, Digital Workplace Advanced can display a survey and ask the user for feedback. When submitted, Business Workflows displays the survey response as a note in the activity stream, allowing agents to look at the user's responses in the context of the case. This is limited to the default survey in 1911. To provide more accurate reporting, for example, cases can now be automatically moved to a new status, like in this example, from resolved to closed. Leaving the mouse pointer over the time information of notes now displays the exact date and time when the note was added. Business analysts define a condition and time interval to automatically move cases to another status. In this example, cases in pending status will be brought to the assigned agent's attention by moving cases to in progress status. Additional filter criteria can be defined to fine-tune. When creating activity notes, agents can use an add annotation to include and notify other agents. Franz gets a notification and can directly navigate to the case. He needs to be able to access the case as this annotation does not bypass permissions. For more flexibility in communicating with future or former employees, a new configuration allows to accept emails from any external user. Configured as *@* and mapped to a user which was created specifically for this mapping. To complement this, we added a capability to configure a list of blocked email IDs. A new report, available only to tenant admins, shows how named and active user counts have changed over time. It is possible to drill down to see who the active users in a given month were. This allows organizations to easily check if they are license compliant or not. Thank you for watching this demonstration of BMC Helix Business Workflows.